Many content creators think AI search killed traditional SEO. They're watching their traffic drop, seeing AI give direct answers, and panicking that years of SEO work just became worthless. But is that true? And could they be missing something very important? See, it's not about changing your content. It's about adapting and evolving your content. Your SEO work is still the core foundation, but the businesses adapting their content for AI search right now are building tomorrow's competitive advantages while everyone else scrambles to catch up or goes down shiny white rabbit holes. Now let me explain how by the end of this video, you'll have a clear framework for optimizing content that works in both traditional search and AI-powered results, because the winners in this new landscape aren't choosing between the two. I'm Colin Clapp, and for 25 plus years, I've been that person who sees how systems should work together, from enterprise networks to business strategies to modern AI and automation workflows. Today, I help businesses treat their content like the asset it is, optimizing for traditional search and emerging AI platforms so every piece you create actually drives results and a return on investment. If you want to work with me, links are in the description. Here's what's actually happening in search right now. Traditional search engines are evolving into answer engines. Google's AI overviews, ChatGPT search, Perplexity, Claude, they all operate on the same principle. Provide the highest confidence answer in the clearest, most direct way possible. This creates a fundamental shift. Traditional SEO focused on ranking entire pages. AI search optimization centers on making individual sentences and paragraphs easily extractable and quotable. Large language models don't rank pages, they quote sentences. Most businesses are responding to this change in one of two ways. They're either ignoring it completely, hoping it goes away, or they're abandoning their SEO foundations entirely to chase AI optimization tactics they don't understand. Both approaches miss the mark. The real challenge isn't choosing between traditional SEO and AI optimization. It's understanding how they work together. Companies that built strong SEO foundations over the years have significant advantages in this new landscape, but only if they adapt strategically. The businesses getting left behind are those treating this as an either-or decision instead of an evolution of existing best practices. The solution is what I call the 5 pillars framework. 5 strategic considerations that bridge traditional SEO with AI search optimization. Think of these as fundamental building blocks rather than sequential steps. Like maintaining a property investment, each pillar requires ongoing attention to preserve and enhance your content return on investment. Pillar number 1, content structure for AI quotability. While traditional SEO focuses on ranking entire pages, AI optimization centers on making individual sentences and paragraphs easily extractable and quotable. The key shifts here are moving to question-based headers that directly address what your audience asks, providing immediate answers in the first 2 to 3 lines after each header, and creating quick answer sections or summary boxes at the beginning of detailed content. Instead of writing something like, understanding this topic involves many complex factors, you structure it as something like, what are the key factors in insert topic? The 3 most important factors are X, Y, and Z. Each factor impacts insert outcome in specific ways. This isn't just about AI. This structure improves user experience across all platforms. Pillar number 2, cross-platform authority building. AI systems trust information that appears consistently across multiple authoritative sources. Building consensus signals increases the likelihood of being quoted. This means ensuring your expertise messaging is consistent across different platforms, systematically repurposing content for multiple channels while maintaining consistent terminology and building mentions and citations across relevant industry sources. The goal isn't to be everywhere, it's to be consistently valuable wherever your audience researches topics in your expertise area. Pillar number 3, Technical foundation review. AI tools need clean, structured, fast-loading content to effectively extract and quote information. This builds directly on traditional SEO fundamentals. Focus areas include proper schema markup implementation, particularly FAQ and author schemas, clean HTML structure with proper heading hierarchies, site performance optimization, and strategic internal linking between related topics. These aren't new concepts, they're table stakes that become even more critical in an AI search environment. Pillar number 4, creating unreplicable content, your unique voice. Here's where you build real competitive advantages. AI tools excel at generating generic information, but struggle with personal experiences and unique insights. This means integrating personal experience or opinions and proprietary knowledge, creating content based on unique data sets or analytical approaches, developing interactive elements like calculators or tools, and providing timely expert commentary on industry developments. The content AI can't replicate is what makes you quotable and builds lasting authority. Pillar number 5, performance monitoring and optimization. AI search optimization requires evolving how we measure success. Traditional metrics like Google Analytics and Search Console remain valuable, but need different interpretation alongside new monitoring and tracking approaches. Key areas include monitoring for AI overview appearances, tracking engagement patterns and conversion quality from AI-referred traffic, monitoring brand mentions across AI platforms, and evaluating which content formats perform best in AI search results. Critically, this must be measured not just by visibility, but by ability to drive meaningful business outcomes. These 5 pillars create sustainable competitive advantages, built on proven foundations. This framework doesn't replace traditional SEO, it builds upon it. Companies with existing SEO foundations are particularly well positioned because these traditional building blocks should already exist and provide the necessary foundation for AI optimization. Here are some real results in practice. Look at this trend. This is what happens when you implement these structural principles consistently over time. While everyone's talking about AI killing SEO, this client's search performance kept climbing. The framework works because it strengthens the fundamentals that both traditional and AI search systems value. Here's how you can still benefit from that first mover advantage stage. Most organizations haven't adapted their content strategies for this new landscape yet. The business is establishing themselves as quoted authorities in AI search results will likely dominate tomorrow's search landscape. So think quality over disruption. Disruption means rather than chasing every new AI tool or tactic, this framework focuses on fundamental improvements that compound over time. It's about working smarter with existing content investments, not starting all over. Measurable evolution. Each pillar builds on established best practices with clear review opportunities. You can implement this systematically rather than making dramatic changes that might damage existing search performance. The companies adapting now are seeing benefits in both traditional and AI search results because the framework strengthens content fundamentals that all search systems value: clarity, authority, and user value. Okay, so what does this mean for you? We've already established the search landscape is evolving, but the fundamentals of providing valuable, well-structured content remain constant. The 5 pillars framework gives you a systematic approach to bridge where you are with where search is heading. Start with pillar 1. Review your existing content for AI quotability. Ask yourself, if someone asked your content a direct question, would it provide a clear, immediate answer? If not, do something about it. If you're ready to systematically optimize your content for both traditional and AI searches, but not sure how, let's talk about how this framework applies to your specific situation. I'll repeat one more time. The businesses that adapt their content for AI search while maintaining SEO fundamentals are building tomorrow's competitive advantages today. The question isn't whether to embrace this evolution, it's whether you'll be early enough to capture the opportunity. The framework is there, the time is now. Your content can work harder across both traditional and AI search if you know how to structure it properly. I'll see you in the next video.